In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add contact shortcut to your iPhone home screen. You can simply add any phone number shortcut on your home screen in just few simple steps. To do this, just long hold on any free space on your home screen. Like this place right here. Then tap on the plus icon on your upper left corner of the screen. On this page, search a contact in your search bar. You will see your most recently dialed numbers right here. You can either decide to tap on them to get added to your home screen as a shortcut or search for any other phone number to add to your home screen. Let's add this contact of my mom right here. Just tap on Add Wedge and it will get added successfully. It's just a one-click away to call whenever it's added to your home screen. That's how easy it is to add contact shortcuts to your home screen on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.